Welcome to Longwood Gardens and our continuing education program. Situated on more than 1,000 acres in Kennett Square, Pennsylvania, Longwood Gardens is one of the great gardens of the world, known for our spectacular horticulture displays, our education programs for gardeners at all levels, and our performing arts. Whether you're new to gardening or a professional horticulturist, our aquatic garden course will show you techniques that have made water gardens at Longwood a destination during the summer season. As we survey these gorgeous water pools, here are some of the key topics you'll learn in this course. We'll introduce you to plants grown here at Longwood that you can use when creating a dynamic water garden of your own. You'll also learn tips on the culture and care of aquatic plants and receive an introduction into the design concepts and considerations unique to water gardens. We'll be joined by Tim Jennings, the senior gardener and the curator of the Water Lily collection at Longwood Gardens. Tim is a global leader in the world of aquatic plants and oversees the production, culture, and care of a collection that has received international acclaim. We're excited to share these lessons with you and begin our adventure in the world of water gardening. Thank you for broadening your world by learning in ours.